Hi everyone, we are AirSoft Taiwan. Today I want to introduce a new product from the KJ. It's the KP17. The KP17 it comes with two versions, and the difference is between the gas or the CO2 power. And they all use the same piston, and they got frame, polymer frame, and this aluminum slide. And to fuel strip, this is also the same as other companies' product, but they offer this aluminum slide and auto barrel. And compared with other companies' product, there's a little bit different. That is, if you want to pull out the inner barrel, the small parts will stop with each other, so you need some tools or use a little bit power to take it out. Others, they are almost identical. And the KJ, they put some reinforced parts right here. Here's a ring right here, so that will make the slide more durable, because they have the CO2 version power magazine. So maybe this will able to make your glove more durable. Okay, now here's the two different magazines. This one is the green gas version, and this one is the CO2 power version magazine. They all carry about 22 rounds per bullet, and we will test it. Okay, this one first. This is brand new magazine, and the press the valve, it is empty. Now I want to recharge the green gas. Okay, I feel about 3 seconds, and now I want to test the FPS. Okay, it fire and it kicks smooth and easy to control. Okay, I fired 20 rounds. Okay, 23 rounds bullet, and the magazine is empty and the slide locked to the rear. Okay, now let's test the CO2 version magazine. And to insert the CO2 cartridge, the first is remove the cap. The bottom cap should be removed, and then you can insert the CO2 cartridge. Now you need to tighten the hex screw so the CO2 cartridge can be penetrated and release the CO2. Okay, before we start, let's see the green gas version start from 86 and then gradually drop till the 72. So let's see the CO2 version magazine. Okay. As we start, stay tuned. Okay. Okay, the slide locked to the rear, the magazine is empty. Okay, compared with the green version and the CO2 cartridge version, they all works perfect and they all kick smooth and easy to control. But the CO2 version kicks harder, so it shooting. When you shoot the CO2 version magazine, it is more exciting than the green gas version. And the AirSoft Taiwan will release these two versions KP17. So if you like this, please order from the AirSoft Taiwan online shop. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.